You landed on the Ninja product page. Now you're frozen. Do you grab the Ninja grill or the Ninja air fryer? They both look incredible. They're both priced seriously, and buying the wrong one means wasted counter space and real money down the drain. We're talking a $200 plus mistake you'll live with every single day. Today we settle this once and for all. We're breaking down every key difference so you walk away knowing exactly which one belongs in your kitchen. Let's get into it. Here's the problem most people never talk about. Kitchen counter space is precious. You don't want two bulky appliances doing the same job. And online reviews? They either push one product without context or drown you in technical jargon nobody asked for. Most people end up buying based on price alone. Then they regret it 3 weeks later when the machine just sits there collecting dust. Sound familiar? You deserve a real, honest, side-by-side breakdown built around your actual cooking habits. That's exactly what we built here. We tested both machines in real kitchens with real meals for real people. We looked at 4 key categories: design and build quality, cooking performance, versatility, and ease of cleaning. By the end of this video, you will know which Ninja wins for your specific cooking habits. Whether you're feeding a family of 4 or meal prepping solo, we've got you covered. No sponsored bias, no vague opinions, just clear, honest facts drawn from hands-on testing. Let's start with how these two machines actually look and feel. The Ninja grill, specifically the Ninja Foodie 5-in-1 indoor grill, is the bigger machine. It measures roughly 15.6 by 8.5 by 11.3 inches. It's wide, it's heavy, and it demands real counter real estate. The Ninja air fryer. Max XL is taller but has a smaller footprint at around 13.6 by 13.6 by 14.3 inches. Both feel premium. Both are built with durable, well-finished materials. But if your kitchen is compact, the air fryer wins on footprint. If cooking surface area matters more to you, the grill takes the lead. This is where they truly separate from each other. The Ninja grill uses a 500 degrees Fahrenheit cyclonic air system combined with a real grill grate. You get actual char marks on chicken thighs, steaks, and vegetables, indoors, without smoke filling your kitchen. It is genuinely impressive. The Ninja air fryer Max XL reaches 450 degrees Fahrenheit and delivers that signature crispy texture on everything from French fries to chicken wings. Both cook fast and efficiently, but the grill adds smokiness and a real sear. The air fryer adds crunch and speed. Your daily food choices decide this round. The Ninja Foodie grill does 5 things: grill, air crisp, bake, roast, and dehydrate. That's serious versatility packed into one appliance. It can handle a full rack of ribs or dehydrate beef jerky overnight without breaking a sweat. The Ninja air fryer. Max XL focuses on one core job, air frying, and it does that job exceptionally well. Select models also add roast and dehydrate functions. If you want one machine to replace multiple tools in your kitchen, the grill wins that battle. If you want the absolute best air frying results every single night, the air fryer is your answer. Nobody wants to spend 45 minutes scrubbing a grill at 9 p.m. Here is the honest truth. The Ninja grill has more components: grill grate, splatter shield, cooking pot, and basket. More parts means more cleaning every single time. The grill grate specifically requires soaking after high heat cooking sessions. The Ninja air fryer Max XL has far fewer parts. The basket and crisper plate are both dishwasher safe. Cleanup takes under 5 minutes on most nights. For busy weeknights when time is tight, the air fryer is the clear maintenance winner. The grill rewards patience with better results. At Air Fryer Guidance, we don't guess, and we don't take shortcuts. We research, test, and compare so you don't have to spend hours doing it yourself. Our team has reviewed over 50 Ninja appliances across every price range available today. We have cooked with both of these machines multiple times across multiple meal types. We track verified buyer reviews from thousands of real customers on Amazon and trusted retail platforms. Our verdict is always built on data, never on sponsorships or brand deals. Every month, Thousands of home cooks visit airfryerguidance.com because they trust us to cut through the noise. We will not let you down. Here is the bottom line. If you love grilling indoors, cook proteins regularly, and want serious cooking versatility, get the Ninja Grill. If you want fast, crispy, everyday cooking with minimal cleanup and less counter space, the Ninja Air Fryer is your answer. Still not 100% sure which one fits your kitchen? We've written a full detailed breakdown with side-by-side specs, verified user ratings, and our final clear recommendation. Go to airfryerguidance.com right now and find it in the description. Subscribe so you never miss another honest kitchen appliance review. Drop your question in the comments. We read and reply to every single one.